In February 2025, the author of the book contacted me. She had written a children's story in co-authorship. Story about an airplane engine and his adventures. There were no strict guidelines, so I started by designing the book layout in InDesign. The main challenge was turning airplane parts into characters with emotions. They are not people and not animals, yet the airplane engine in this story experiences a full range of emotions, like a growing boy. I worked mostly on my own without an editor to consult. The authors liked everything, but I know there are still details I would love to refine. The book ended up quite sketchy in style, but it was time to let Angie go out into the world and finally feel the book in my hands. The authors plan to present the book to an airline. Ideally, it would be given to children on board to brighten their flight. I hope Angie finds his airline and gets to travel around the world.